for our food. It's good. There's no one around. So we're much safer here because we brought our kids. Hi, Eli.
Hello.
Hi, JC. Okay, let me check what they've ordered for us. What's our food?
Papa egg, tocino, tapos...
Oh,
Hindi, you just have to pick one. Tusino lang. We're just... Ay, naku, nawala ka na naman.
I also want pancake.
where's your mask na?
Ikaw, Pauline, anong kakainin mo? Anong breakfast mo? Magpa-stamp ka lang ulit doon mamaya.
Okay,
Anong i-breakfast mo, ate?
okay, here we are. That's their food.
Nahulog si Eli, nahulog.
Oh, I think they love pancake. Nash love pancake. Pauline. What's that, ate?
Patasyan din.
You like it? You eat a lot, okay? This is my food.
Titan.
See?
Titan.
JC.
Gamit ng kutsara.
Oh, kuya. Use your spoon and fork. There's Eli. What's your food? Perfect view here. And the good thing about this is it's an open space. It's not an enclosed.
Water?
That's it.
I need water.
Oh, you need water? Okay, let's just wait. Okay. Nash, you love your pancake. Kuya, take it easy, take it slow, okay? Oh, look at your rice on the food. Okay, that's it for today. That's our first breakfast here.
I need water.